In which of the following states the segment of population which is in majority enjoys the benefit of reservation of seats in the state assembly? Meghalaya and Mizoram, Assam and Nagaland, Madhya Pradesh and Assam, Rajasthan and Arunachal Pradesh. 32. Correct option will be Meghalaya and Mizoram. Okay, so they are the two states which uh, enjoy the benefit of reservation of seats in the state assembly according to the segment of population. 33. Which of the following are the ways of acquiring Indian citizenship? Birth, descent, naturalization, incorporation of territory. Select the correct answer from the code given below. 1 and 2, 1 and 4, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2 and 3, 4. 33. Correct option for it will be number D. All are important. These all are relevant. Birth, descent, naturalization, and incorporation of territory. Next, which of the following statements about the Union Public Service Commission are correct? UPSC is a constitutional body. It serves as an advisory body. It is called upon to advise the government in regard to representation of the scheduled caste and scheduled tribes in the civil service. It is consulted on appointments of chairman and members of tribunals and commissions. Select the correct answer from the code given below. 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2 and 4, 1, 3 and 4, 1 and 2. So 34 correct answer of this question, it will be only 1 and 2. Now let me read it for you. 1 and 2. 1. UPSC is a constitutional body. 4. It is consulted on appointments of chairman and members of tribunals and commissions. Next question, we have to read this passage and then we have to answer the question. Let me read it for you. Read the following passage carefully and answer questions number from 35 to 40. I had occasion to work with her closely during the Women's International Year in 1975 when she was chairing a steering committee and made me the member in charge of publicity. Representatives from different political parties and women's organizations were on the committee, and though the leftists claim a sort of proprietary right over her, Aruna encouraged and treated all members alike. It was not her political affiliations or her involvement in a particular cause which won her respect and recognition, but her utter honesty in public life, her integrity, and her compassion for the oppressed, which made her an adorable person. She had the courage to differ with and defy the mightiest in the land. Yet her human spirit prompted her to work in the worst of slums to offer succor to the poor and the exploited. In later years, around late 80s and early 90s, Aruna Asaf Ali's health began to deteriorate, deteriorate, uh, deteriorate. Okay, sorry for the pronunciation. Though her mind remained alert, she could not actively taken up her pet causes, action for women's advancement, planning for economic justice, role of media, reaffirmation of values in public affairs, etc. Slowly, her movements were restricted, and Aruna, who had drawn sustenance from common people from her involvement in public life, became a lonely person. She passed away in July 1996. Okay, 35. Since we have read that passage, now we have to solve the question. Number one question from the passage, there is 35 as per our question paper. Which committee was chaired by Aruna? Women's International Years Committee, Steering Committee of Women's International Year, a committee of publicity, women's organizations. 35 correct option will be B, that is Steering Committee for Women's International Year. 36. Who were made the members of the Committee of Publicity? Choose the answer from quotes given below. Representatives from different political parties, representatives from the leftist parties, representatives from the women's organizations, none of the above. 1, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2 and 3, 4. Only 4. 36 correct option will be 1 and 3 are correct, but the rest are not correct. 1 and 3. 37. Aruna earned respect because of what? She identified with the leftists. She did not associate with any political party. Chairing a steering committee. She identified with women's organizations. 37. Correct option will be number B. She did not associate with any political party. 38. Who tried to monopolize Aruna as their proprietary right? Women organizations, leftists, steering committee, some political parties. 38. Correct option will be B. That means leftists. 39. Aruna's health began to deteriorate from 1985 to 2002, 1998 to 2000, 1981 to 2000, 1989 to 2001. 39. Correct option will be C. That is 1981 to 2000. 40. Aruna's pet cause or causes in her life was where what? Role of media, economic justice, reaffirmation of values in public affairs, all the above. 40. Correct option will be D. That is all the above, all are correct. Economic justice, reaffirmation of values in public affairs, role of media, all are significant. Then for 41, a good teacher must be what? Resourceful and autocratic, resourceful and participative, resourceful and authoritative, resourceful and dominant. 41. Correct option for this question, it will be number B. That is resourceful and participative. Thank you so much. That's all for this video. We will come again in our next video, and then we will try to learn new things from the previous year question paper.